Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cool black and white photo edit with Picsart. So in here, what you need to do is open the Picsart app and then click on the plus icon. Then choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example here, I'm going to edit this photo. Just select the photo, then tap on the remove background. Wait for the background to fully remove. Now choose the black color as the background, and next you can go to effects. So click on a check icon, go to effects, click on the B and W category, swipe, and select this this effect. And after that you can click on a check icon again, and then go to mask, select the dust options, and in here you can just choose the one that you want, but I'm going to select the fold tree mask. Which one is it? Okay, this one, fold, sorry, the fold tree. Okay, so now you are done. Click on a check icon. Now you can just save these photos. This is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.